Which city in the world is known as the City of Arabian Nights? Correct answer is Baghdad. Which city is referred to as the City of Seven Hills, Eternal City in the world? Correct answer is Rome. Which city is known as the City of Skyscrapers or Empire City in the world? Correct answer is New York. Which city in the world is called as the Big Apple or the city that never sleeps? Correct answer is New York City. Which country is known as the gift of the Nile? Correct answer is Egypt. Which country is known as the Island of Pearls? Correct answer is Bahrain. Which country is called as the land of golden fleece as well as land of kangaroos? Correct answer is Australia. Which country is known as the land of lilies as well as land of maple leaf? Correct answer is Canada. Which country is called as the land of morning calm as well as hermit kingdom? Correct answer is Korea. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? Correct answer is Finland. Which country is known as the sugar bowl of the world? Correct answer is Brazil. Which country is called as the roof of the world? Correct answer is Tibet. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolt? Correct answer is Bhutan. Which country is called as the land of white elephant? Correct answer is Thailand. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Correct answer is Switzerland. Thank you.